This is Alex at Capital Tech Solutions, here to show you how to edit a WordPress page using the Divi page builder. Here I have a page built using the Divi page builder. I will be editing this page from the WordPress admin. To do that, first I need to be logged in, which I am. Then I can open the page's admin editor in one of two ways. First, I can open up the admin dashboard, then click Pages, find my page, and click Edit. Or two, I can view the page on the front end, and then click this Edit Page in the admin top bar. Both of these will take me to the same page, the Divi admin editor for this page. So this is what our Divi editor looks like. A side note, I'm using Divi's newer page builder interface. If your site is built with Divi's classic editor experience, the editor will look slightly different, but the process for editing them is almost identical. The Divi page is made up of sections, usually each labeled by a blue bar. Each section has one or more rows in it, green bars. Rows are divided into columns, anywhere from 1 to 6 columns. And each column has one or more modules in it, these gray boxes. The modules are where you'll find your page content. Different modules hold different kinds of page content. There are specific modules for text, images, videos, slideshows, buttons, and more. Say I want to edit the text in this paragraph. First, I need to find where this paragraph exists in my admin editor. Well, starting at the top of my page, this looks like it's its own section here with a single column. And I can map that on the back end to this first section here. Then I have a 3-column section that must correspond to these 3 columns. And then I have a 2-column section with the text I want to change. So that must correspond to the 3rd section in the admin editor. To edit a module, I click on the gear icon on the module. A pop-up window will open. I can change the positioning of this editor. I can either minimize it, expand it, embed it in the side here. Here we can see my 2 paragraphs of text, and I can confirm that they match the text on the front end to confirm that this really is the section we want to edit. So I'll be changing this first section. To save my changes, I will click this green checkbox in the bottom right corner. If I wanted to cancel my changes, I would click the red X. I can preview my changes if I want to, never a bad idea. I can confirm that my text got updated. And finally, I always need to remember to click Update. If I refresh my live page, I can confirm that my text got updated. I can follow a similar process if I want to change an image. First, I need to find my image on the back end, click the edit icon for the image. For this image, I would either click this gear or I would click the photo to open up our media library. I could either upload a new file or find one in my existing media library that I want to upload. Click Upload an Image. Once again, click the green checkbox in the bottom right corner and click Update. And if I refresh my page, I can see that my image has been updated. Each different module type displays a different type of page content, so their editing interface will look slightly different. But the content will always be in the modules editor on this first tab labeled Content.